Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. Welcome to English with Islam. Today's lesson is I say Bismillah. Let's begin. Say after me, I say Bismillah before I eat. I say Bismillah before I study. I say Bismillah before I sleep. I say Bismillah before I start anything. MashaAllah. Repeat with me now. I say Bismillah before eating. Bismillah. Before writing. Bismillah. Before walking. Bismillah. Alhamdulillah. Saying Bismillah brings blessings. Allah loves those who remember Him. Say Bismillah in everything, kids. That's all for today. Say Bismillah and subscribe. See you soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.